Alright, turn it on now. This is a Daikin ductless inverter heat pump. And this is Spencer. Incredibly quiet. The house is old, it did not originally have central air, and it also has oil baseboard heat. The owner installed the ductless heat pump to cut down on oil costs. I have never seen a Daikin ever in America. I thought this was more in Europe and other countries. It is incredibly quiet. Let's see if we can get a manufacture date off of this. It has 410A refrigerant. There's like no noise from it at all. This thing's incredibly quiet. Spencer. Spencer is a 13-year-old beagle. It is chilly right now. It's probably like in the low 40s, high 30s. And this thing may have defrosted. And I think he just turned it off. But yeah, you don't even know the damn thing's running. It's incredibly quiet. And it has, there's just one outdoor unit, but it's got 3 indoor units. I believe 2 on the first floor, 1 on the second floor, or maybe 1 on the first floor, 2 on the second floor. I forget. But yeah, Daikin multi-inverter ductless heat pump running in heat mode. For a second I thought it was on in cool mode, but I guess the little snowflake symbol means heat mode. And the sun symbol means cool mode. But the air coming out of it is cold. I don't know if it's running heat mode or cool mode. I honestly do not know what mode it's running in. Just the heat pump remote, dog. Now I gotta figure out how to get back inside the house without letting him in. Stay. Stay. Okay, that was easy. That would be in cool mode. Still a very nice unit. Daikin inverter heat pump.
Right now, so that means cool.
So the air conditioner was on.
Right. But come here, I'll show you how to, so you know the mode, you changed the mode, so now it's on sunshine.
And that's heat mode?
That's heat mode.
So, when it's defrosting or it's too cold for it to work efficiently, is there like a backup heat in there? Like an electric strip heat in there?
Don't even say that because it's never happened.
Well, it has to defrost because when it's really cold out, it's part of normal operation for a heat pump to defrost.
You're too
to get the ice
technical
off.
for me. I have no idea.
So is the air coming out of it warm now? There's no air coming out of it.
Wait a minute, hold on. I'll say in a second. You gonna take it with you?
Yeah, we're just gonna bar up.
No, I'm gonna give you a sheet.
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
give you something else. Oh
Okay.
yeah, I have something else that you can have. Hold on one sec. Okay, this is the cool part, the heater part.
So it was running in cool mode before. When my friend first turned it on. You have it set to 84 degrees?
Well, I just put it there. You can adjust.
Because there's no air coming out of there.
Okay.
Is there a filter you had to change?
No.
There isn't?
Nope. It's here. Those have to be washed out.
Oh, so you don't have to replace anything.
No. You just have to take those and wash them out. As a matter of fact, they're due to be washed.
Oh, now I feel something, I think.
Well, I think it's just that it's not.
Maybe it's compressor lockout because you went from
We've been
cool mode to heat
messing
mode.
with it a lot.
It didn't break, did it?
No, I don't think so. I'm sure it's not.
It's probably just compressor lockout. Alright, what's the temperature in the house right now?
I'll tell you in a sec.
Yeah, this is a very neat little system. And the house is very, very small. No basement. Oh, now it's... Barney and Spencer the Beatles. Yeah, it's a small house, no basement. It's got an oil boiler in the laundry room. The non-silence of the beagles. The non-silence of the beagles. Yeah, this is so firmly wrapped up, it's impossible to... Oh yeah, I got the suction line. That's getting warm. That's in heat mode. You can't...
It's currently 62 in the house.
And I set it to 70. Yeah, this is an impressive system. Who installed it? Well, the outdoor unit's running, but that's not blowing any air.
Yeah, it's
Now, does each room have its own remote?
Yep.
Maybe this one's just not...
But the remote works in every...
So, this didn't just break, did it? Like, it's not blowing any air, but
it's blowing air. You can't...
It is? Oh, now I feel it. Yeah, now I feel it. Must be on low. What's that strong button do on there?
It just makes it a more powerful...
So it, like, kicks in an auxiliary fan or something?
Yeah, it just gives it a burst for, like, 3 minutes.
And swing makes the ventilation thing move back and forth, right? There's a swing button. My friend's Mazda 626 did that. Hey, Spencer. Spencer's the one with black on his back, right?
Yeah. So the swing just makes this swing so that the air can come in through this way instead of just straight. We'll do this.
And does it do good in the summer in terms of cooling the house?
Yeah, the only issue is upstairs. It's not as good.
Well, it still probably blows out plenty of air upstairs.
Yeah, but the problem with the upstairs is the way that these old homes.
It's always 10 degrees hotter upstairs.
Yeah. And the really hot days is not good.
And she just turned it off. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Little up close of the fan blade. 3-bladed fan. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.